So now we've logged in, we've edited some text, we've uploaded and linked to a document. Now I want to link to another web page. Well, there are two types of web pages in particular that I'm going to discuss in this short video. First, let's link to a web page on our own website. And then second, let's link to a web page on another website. So first of all, let's get back into editing the page so that we can do that. So we'll click on Edit here. Brings us back to our view where we can pick a region of the page to edit. We're going to edit the main content area. And let's say we want to add a link. I want to link to another page within our website. And that could be anywhere on the vvc.edu website or anywhere within this specific tech prep website. So in this case, I'm going to link to a page within our existing tech prep website, right here within our own subdirectory of the Offices folder. So I'll highlight the text that I've typed, and I'll click Insert Edit Link. So at this point, the process is no different than the document process I mentioned in the previous video. So we'll click on Browse here. And just like with a document, a web page is really just a file. A web page, a document, a PDF, they're just files. And they all are displayed very similarly here with different icons on the left. So if I wanted to link to a page, a specific page, let's say I want to link to the Forms page. I would just click on it, click Select File, and Insert. So I've now created a link to another web page within our website. If I wanted to test that, I would click on Save. OU Campus will present us with a preview of the page showing our changes. And I'll scroll down here. So here's the link to the PDF file we tested in the previous video. And here's a link to the Forms page. If I click on that, here's our Tech Prep Forms page. If I click on Preview, it takes me back to the page with my changes that I'm editing. There's my PDF of my web page. So let's say I want to add a link to a web page that is not on our website. We'll go back in, I'll pick the area of the page I want to edit, and I'll add some text. So I want to link to nasa.gov, National Aeronautical Space Administration. I can do that in a couple ways. I can just type the link out. If I don't want to type the link out because I'm worried I may have a typo in the link that I type in, I can actually go to NASA's webpage, pull it up in the browser, highlight the web address up here at the top of the page. You can right click and click copy, or you can just press Control-C. Right click and click copy works well. Then I can come back to OU Campus here and select my NASA link, click on Insert Edit Link, and then right click here in this link URL field and click on Paste. And then click Insert. Well, let's test that. I'll click on Save, which is the single floppy disk icon at the top left of the toolbar here. And OU Campus presents us with a preview of the page. So here's our web page in our website, which I can still click and test. I want to get back to my preview, and I want to try my link to nasa.gov. It looks like it works very well. Here's a preview of the link that we followed from our web page.